Hi everyone, Shaw with MarineMax Palm Beach, and today we're gonna go walk through this amazing Sea Ray 21 SPX. Let's get into it. So first thing we're gonna see is this exact 21 SPX is equipped with a 200 upgraded Mercury engine, and then we do have a really nice sun lounger for those sandbar days to be close to the water with your family right here. Everyone wants water toys, so Sea Ray does a great job of keeping the wet toys outside of the boat with storage, wet storage right here in the walkthrough. Moving inside, right here, we have great access to the insulated cooler for easy access. Let's say mom stayed inside the boat, kids wanted something to drink while they're swimming. Pop it right here, grab it, give it out there. One thing you're gonna realize with the Sea Ray 21 SPX is Sea Ray really maximizes their space everywhere on this 21 SPX. When we look around, this boat really feels like a 23-foot boat once you're inside. It doesn't really feel like a 21-footer. And another spot that Sea Ray does really well is storage everywhere. Easy mechanical access for your tanks and everything, but when you don't need it, you close that up. All the drains right there. More storage that back here, and so on and so forth for all this. Nice reverse seat right here, so when you're running, passenger is going to look forward, but once you're at the sandbar, kick it back. Now you can rest backwards. Captain's chair rotates all around, so when you're not driving, you can join the party, but once you're driving, it's go time. This boat does come with the upgraded Fusion stereo system with all the Fusion speakers, and then your 7-inch Simrad right here. All your horn and electrical switching right here, and of course your USB plug right there. Got a nice little dashboard storage right there, and more storage down below. Here, this is where I like to spend a lot of my time. At the bow, as you can see, we have the filler cushion right now. You can take the filler cushion off, makes a seat for two, or you can put this back in here. Very easy, slides in, and then boom, you got a nice backrest for everyone here, and you can comfortably sit 4 people while at the sandbar. This boat is optioned out with a tower too, sports tower, so kids want to go tubing, skiing, wakeboarding, doesn't matter, hook it up on the tower and you're gonna have loads of fun and ample coverage from the sun with the bimini as well. Again, this is Sean with MarineMax Palm Beach. Come check us out today.